in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Daviess County, western Stevenson County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Guilford, or near Galena, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Stockton, Warren, Pearl City, Woodbine, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Council Hill, Dora, Shepsville, Lauren, Guilford, Kent, Wadhams Grove, Canyon Camp, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Willow, Apple River Canyon State Park, and Stockton Airport. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.